Hello. In this video, I'm going to show you in case a class doesn't have the homework and participation column included, how you can create it and add it. Keep in mind that in the virtual classroom, once teachers go to this course grades, this rubric is like it's like the roster, and all the grades have to be set here. In case we need to verify something, we come here. So for example, in this class, you see the only column that we have is the written exam. It means it's missing the participation and homework grade from the midterm and also the participation and homework grade from the final. So for us to add a column, what we have to do is after clicking this course and grades, we go to setup. And as you would see here, it tells you what are the assignments that have grades. What you have to do is add a grade item. And there you name it, homework MT. And you simply click Save Changes, and then you do the same for participation and MT, and then the same for homework FL. Participation MT, and so on. If it's a super intensive or an accelerated, you know it's going to be different. It's going to be participation first partial or homework first partial. So I hope this video is useful whenever teachers ask for your assistance.